On this episode of Southpaw Computing, today we're going to be replacing the home button on an iPhone 5 Verizon model. Coming up next.
Warning: the following video is performed by a trained professional. It is meant for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt to try anything you see here. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, Dan from Southpaw Computing, and today we're going to be fixing an iPhone 5 that has a missing home button. It's actually a very common issue on these phones, and we bought the kit to fix it for the customer, and we'll do a time-lapse video. Alright, let's get this done. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, the button has been replaced. Everything looks nice, just like stock, and when you hit the button, voila, just to show you again. And there you go. Alrighty, that's it for this one. Nice short video, not like the other ones. This is Dan from Southpaw Computing. Again, if you like what you see here, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, until the next time.